Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any web page background completely black in Android Chrome browser. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Chrome browser. So opening the Chrome browser, you can see I've applied a dark theme. I will show you by going to the settings. As you can see under the theme section, as you can see here, it's written dark, system default and light. So though you have set the dark theme in your Chrome browser, still if you go to the website, so you can see the background of this web page is white. So how you can turn it black? That is, any web page you can turn it black. So let me show you. So what you need to do is under the address bar, tab bar, so what you need to type is Chrome : / and you need to type a word plex. So after typing this word Chrome @flex, click enter or proceed. So what you need to do here is in the search you need to type dark. So here you can see one option. Let me focus it clearly. So you can see here force dark mode for web content. So just tap on this button and click on enable. So once you click enable, below you can see to relaunch your browser. So we'll relaunch it. Wait for a few seconds. So we'll check it now. The force dark mode has been for web content has been enabled now. So we'll check it whether it's working or not for the any web pages. So we'll try to open the Google. So you can see it's totally dark now. Even we'll try to choose any images. Let me choose any images like apple. So you can see total background is totally dark. So we'll try to view any websites here, like we'll try to open this web page. As you can see right now everything is in black. So if you want a completely dark or black theme or black background in any web pages, then try this tutorial. And if you like this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.